What's up guys, welcome to the third ever tutorial of programming in C using Xcode, and in this tutorial it's all about basic data types such as int, float, double, char, boolean, etc. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay. Int a equals 5. Float a or float b equals double c equals, just say 667.098. It's a random number. Char d equals d Boolean e equals true or false. I just put 0. Okay, now we can start printing these out with printf statements. %i new line, that's a. I'll just say the value is my. Okay, so that's for printf. Float %f, that should be a b. Print that again. Double should be, we can use an e for double if we wanted to. E. For char we can use a c, and that should be c. Okay, the next one, let's copy this. That should be c, and that should be d. My value is my letter. My letter is %c, which will give us d. Alright, the next one is Boolean. False is, you could use I. Okay, save that. That should be E now. Hopefully we should get all this printed out. So let me press execute and let's see what we get. My value is 5, my value is 33.92002, my value is 6.6709 whatever, my letter is D and false is 0. Yeah, that's what I wanted to get and that's what I have. That's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.